So hi team, this is a video demo for the BDP alpha testing. So there is an issue here with the autoresponder. Okay, the content is good, but there are links that are not working. Okay, the link that is broken is for the sponsor autoresponder or automail. So after signing up, the sponsor will receive a notification that someone signed up under his webinar page. So here, this is the content. As you can see, there is this one. It says here that you'll log in. Click here to log in. I believe this is for the virtual office. Now when you click this, it will route on this page. So I believe the problem is this, the URL. Okay, so that's the only problem. Thanks.